Hello everyone, welcome to WeTradeForexx channel. So for the first video of the channel, I wanted to show you how to trade retracements using Fibonacci. So I'm going to show you other examples using the trades that I send on the VIP channel. For example, I send that analysis on CHF GPY. Then I sent the signal just here. That trade ended up running at plus 80 pips, plus 1.8%, and we ended the week with a nice plus 419 pips, which was plus 14%. So here we have USD CAD, and I'm going to show you why I like trading using Fibonacci when we have bullish trend or a bearish trend. When you have a bullish trend, price is creating higher highs and higher lows like that. So I'm just gonna click here on one higher low and one higher high, and I can see all those levels once I do that. And the two levels that are really interesting for us to enter buy position is are 0.618 and 0.786. So if price come to that level and you have like a clear rejection of that level, and price can respect that level, just gonna enter a buy position. I would put my stop loss just below 0.786 level, so that I can give some room to the to my position. And also price is really sometimes is likely to come to that level as well, because we can have retracements up to that level. So I would just put stop loss like that, and my TP I would put it here, so it's a nice 4.5% trade. But I would take some profit at this level here, this level here as well, and here. So now I'm going to show you how to trade Fibonacci in a real situation market. So for example, here we have a higher low, a higher high. So if I go there, Fibonacci, higher low, higher high, I can see that price here is respecting the 0.618 level. So I'm just going to enter a buy position like that, put my stop loss just here below the 0.786 level, and put my TP here, and it's a nice 4.5%. So here we have already 4.5%. Perfect. And now let's see what we can do all along that bullish trend. So here we have another higher low, and here we have higher high. Go like that. Here we're still respecting 0.786, even if we went a bit like below the 0.680 level. So I would enter a buy position and I would risk 0.5% instead of risking 1%, sorry. And I would still put my stop loss just here, sorry, stop loss just here, and I'll go like that. And here we still have, sorry, 5.3% trade. Now what do we have? We have another higher low, higher high here. I take Fibonacci retracements, click on a higher low and on a higher high. We can see that here we're respecting the 0.618. Even if price went a bit below here, I would have put my stop loss just here. I think 40 pips is good. And price TP just here, so it's a nice 3.3%. And we can do that all along the bullish trend. We have another, for example, higher low here. We have a high here. Sometimes it doesn't work. I just go here, my Fibonacci retracement, click on a higher low, on a higher high, but price didn't come to reject that level, so I would just not have entered a buy position. We have another one here. We have a higher low, high. We use Fibonacci retracement like that. And here we can see that we have like 4 or 5 candles rejecting and respecting the 0.618 level. So I can just enter a buy position from there. We put 45 pips stop loss and TP there. That's another 4.3% trade. So just during that bullish trend, we made over 18%. So that's really efficient. So here we're looking at USD CHF. I'm going to do the same, but this time I'm going to look for a bearish trend to show you how it works on a bearish trend. For example, here we can set price create high. Here we have a lower low. So I'm going to click this time on the higher high, on the lower high first, and then the lower low. Just here we can see that the price was respecting the 0.618 level. So I would have entered a sell position here. Sorry, short like that. I have put my stop loss there, and I would have targeted minus 0.618 level. So it was a nice 3.7%. Let's see if we have something else. Yes, here we have a lower high with a nice lower low. Fibonacci. Yes, price here was also respecting our 0.618 level. I've put my stop loss here, targeted that level. That's another 3.6% trade. So we're already at 7% in only 2 trades, which is really huge. Here as well, we have another lower high, sorry. This is the lower low using Fibonacci retracement. Here it's more, I would have entered just here and have put my stop loss there. So you can see that price went there and it rejected that level. So it still works. Basically, like sometimes you're gonna have a retracement to that level, but yeah, like here it's still played out. So the price is not always gonna respect that level. Sometimes it's gonna like go a bit and draw down like that, but still, if it respects that level, then you can let it run and it actually hit TP after that. If it go like above that level, I would have stopped the trade in loss, of course. So that's 10% in only 3 trades, which is really good. And here again we have a bullish trend, we have a higher low, a high high here. In Fibonacci you can see yeah, price was again respecting our level here, so I would have entered a long position from there, stop loss there. I would have put my TP there, but this shows you that you have to take some profit during the trade, because price is not always going to hit that level. Sometimes it's gonna retrace before to get to that level, so that's why I suggest you to take some profit like here and there, and put stop loss to break even, so that we're not losing any money. So yeah, I showed you a lot of examples. If you have any question, just DM me on Instagram. The link is in the description. So if you like this video, you can have access to all my trades in my VIP channel. So the link is in the description if you're interested. For example, I'm going to show you the results of the last 2 weeks. For example, 2 weeks ago we made 6.5%. Then you can see all the results just here, and this week we made plus 14%, as I showed you earlier. So if you have any question about this video or about the VIP channel, you can just DM me on Instagram and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.